Hi, my name is Malin Nilsson, and the theme for my paper is how the use of mobile internet and social media impacts our everyday life. So to answer my main question, how does the use of mobile internet and social media impact our everyday life? I've decided to divide my paper into 3 sub-questions, and these 3 questions should cover the 4 themes that we discussed in this course. The first question is, how does our daily life get mediatized through mobile phone and social media? Second question, how has the rise of mobile internet and social media changed the way we consume and produce media? Third and last question, how is gender represented in social networking sites? As for the first question, how does our daily life get mediatized through the mobile phone and social media? New technologies has made social media content spread at a rapid pace, which makes it have an immediate effect on its audience, as well as making it an important part of the mediatization process. Mediatization is a media process happening even though we're not always aware of it, which makes it integrated with our everyday life. Consumption of social media has, much thanks to the mobile phone, become a part of our daily routines. So what I found from my second question, how has the rise of mobile internet and social media changed the way we consume and produce media? I found that it's not only the time aspect that has changed, but also the accessibility. So with the rise of new technologies, we are always connected and we're always available to others. The rise of new technologies, and especially the mobile phone, has also made it possible for anyone with a mobile phone to produce media as well as consume media. And this has developed into the process of presumption, where these two processes, producing and consuming, are merged into one action. As in media in general, social media is a visual medium, especially when it comes to presenting yourself. And the profile picture is designated to be the first thing you see when you visit someone's profile page on Facebook, making it be very important. Therefore, I wanted to investigate how gender is represented in social networking sites. And I did this by choosing 2 studies where the researchers had a look at profile pictures. One site is called snyggast.nu, which is a Swedish site that is no longer active, and the other site is Facebook. And for both these studies, the researchers could find differences in how women and men do present themselves online. So to conclude my paper, I would say that new technologies and social media has changed the way we consume media today. Today, everyone is a prosumer. Everyone with a mobile phone and internet access can easily both consume and produce media at the same time, sometimes without even noticing it. This has made media a natural part of our everyday life. And for young adults who grew up with these technologies, they often say that they don't make a difference between offline communication and virtual communication. They see it as equal. However, this could be problematic that we are not critical when we consume media online. For instance, news events can often get overdramatized and exaggerated and only showing one side of the story. Thank you for listening.